Are you trying to send money to a Chinese bank account from Zambia? Maybe you're paying a manufacturer, supplier, freight forwarder, or business partner in China, and they've given you their Chinese bank details. Now you're wondering, how do I send this money safely, quickly, and without crazy bank charges? In this video, I'll show you the easiest and most reliable way to send money to Chinese bank accounts directly from Zambia. Let's get started. Sending money from Zambia to a Chinese bank account through traditional banks can be expensive and slow. International wire fees are high. Exchange rates are not always favorable. Transfers can take several days, and sometimes payments get delayed or flagged for review. If you're importing goods, these delays can slow down production and shipping. So, what's the better option? Instead of struggling with complicated bank procedures, you can use a trusted payment agent who understands international transfers and Chinese banking systems. That's where I come in. I help individuals and businesses in Zambia send money directly to Chinese bank accounts safely and efficiently. Whether you're paying a factory, clearing balance payments, or settling business invoices, I handle the transaction professionally. Here's how it works. Step 1. Contact me on WhatsApp only. Step 2. Send me the Chinese bank account details and the amount you need to send. Step 3. Make your local payment using the agreed method. Step 4. I process the transfer to the Chinese bank account. Step 5. Your recipient confirms receipt. Simple, fast, secure. Now, why should you choose me? I am a trusted and well known online entrepreneur in Zambia. I have experience handling digital currency exchanges and cross border transactions. Transparent pricing, no hidden charges, fast processing times. Professional communication, a strong reputation built on trust and reliability. When sending money internationally, accuracy is critical. One mistake in banking details can cause serious delays. That's why working with someone experienced matters. Very important. To avoid scams or impersonators, contact me on WhatsApp only. Do not trust anyone claiming to represent me through unofficial platforms. WhatsApp only. If you want to send money to a Chinese bank account from Zambia safely and efficiently, get in touch with me today. Message me on WhatsApp only to get started. Let's make your international payments smooth and stress free. See you on WhatsApp.